Okay, so my mixture has cooled down some. I've stirred and gotten um, the most important part off of the star, whatever it is. Excuse me for being ignorant on how to pronounce um, what it is. But it's cooled down. The main thing is we're gonna I'm gonna scoop these out, right? I'm gonna scoop out the stars. The most important thing is if you're going to put your medicine into a container that's plastic, you want to make sure that it's cooled down. You don't want to pour it into a plastic container with it piping hot. So make sure that it's cooled down. You're going to pour it into your container. You're going to seal it. You're not going to refrigerate it. You're going to put it right into your medicine cupboard. Um, as you see, I do mine. Okay. And it's, like the dosage. I give my children you know, a spoonful, a couple spoonfuls, depending on how sick they are. It's all natural, so you can't really overdo it. So um, that's the video for the day. Hopefully this helps some people, and everybody have a blessed day.